Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Again, first year, exercise 3.1, question 12. Question 12 has two parts, 1 and 2. In the mathematics, there are more than one method to solve the questions. Question 12, 13, they also have more than one method, and we discuss question 12 with two different methods. Now, let's start. Question 12, part 1, x and second matrix is equal to 5, 2, minus 2 and 1 is equal to second matrix is minus 1, 5, 12 and 3. Now we solve it. This is x, this matrix is A is equal to this matrix is equal to B. Now we solve this x into matrix A is equal to B and we find the value of x. In this method, we take x, the alphabet, mean A, B, C, D, and A is equal to 5, 2, minus 2 and 1, and is equal to minus 1, 5, 12 and 3. And students, we know that when we multiply two matrices, the matrix first is number of column and second number of rows. If they are same, then we multiply both the matrices. And in the questions, we saw two number of columns and two number of rows, and we can multiply it. A is multiplied by 5, 5A minus 2B, and the second is 2A plus B, and the second row when multiplied with first column is equal to 5C minus 2D and 2C plus D. These two product is we have, and the D matrix is equal to minus 1, 5, 12 and 3. And we also know when two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are also equal. So 5A minus 2B is equal to minus 1. It is question 1. And the second is 2A plus B is equal to 5, equation 2. And the third is 5C minus 2D is equal to 12, equation 3. And the last is 2C plus D is equal to 3. And it is equation 4. Now, for the values of A and B, we solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. We get 5A minus 2B is equal to minus 1, 2A plus B is equal to 5. Now we multiply equation second with 2 because the value coefficient of B are common, same. It is 5A minus 2B is equal to minus 1, 4A plus 2B is equal to 10. Now add them, 2B minus 2B cancel and we get 5 plus 4 9a is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, and a is equal to 9 over 9, which is equal to 1. So value of a is 1. Now put the value of a either question 1 or question 2. We get the value of b. So we put the value of a in equation 2, which is 2a plus b is equal to 5. 2 multiplied by 1 plus b is equal to 5. 2 plus b is equal to 5, and b is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So value of b is equal to 3, and it is our answer. Question A, A 1 and b is equal to 3. For values of c and d, similarly we solve 5c minus 2d is equal to 12, and 2c plus d is equal to 3. Now we multiply 2c plus d with 2, and we get 5c minus 2d is equal to 12. 4c plus 2d is equal to 6. Now add both the questions. We get 9c is equal to 12 plus 6 is equal to 18, and c is equal to 18 over 9, which is equal to 2. So value of c is equal to 2. Now we put the value of c in the question. 2c plus d is equal to 3. 2c plus d is equal to 3. 2 multiplied by 2 plus d is equal to 3. 2 2s are 4 plus d is equal to 3, and d is equal to 3 minus 4, which is equal to minus 1. Value of c is 2 and value of d is equal to minus 1. So x, matrix X, coordinates are a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 2, and d is equal to minus 1. And it is our answer. Now question 12, part 2. Here 5, 2, minus 2, 1 into x is equal to 2, 1, 5 and 10. In these questions, this value is A, matrix is A, into x is equal to this matrix is B. Now we find the matrix X, and with the other method, A inverse, using the inverse method, A inverse into A x is equal to A inverse into B, and x is equal to A inverse. Now we find A inverse and then multiply with B, find the coordinates of x. We have for A is equal to 5, 2, minus 2 and 1. First of all, when we find the inverse, we find the value of A determinant. Either it is singular or not singular. Determinant 5, 2, minus 2 and 1. Multiply to find the determinant of A. 5 ones are 5, minus 2 twos are 4, minus 4, which is equal to 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, which is not equal to 0, and it is, we can find its inverse, and then adjoint of A. In adjoint of A, we shift these two values, interchange, 5, 1 and 5 and change their signs, 2 and minus 2. It is the adjoint of A, and A inverse is adjoint A over A determinant, and we can call it modulus. Now put the values of adjoint A, 1, minus 2, 2 and 5. This is the adjoint of A, and A determinant we find the value at 9. This is equal to 1 over 9 and 1 minus 2, 2 and 5. Now it is the value of A inverse. Now we multiply A inverse with B, which is equal to X. X is equal to A inverse B is equal to A inverse is 1 over 9 and A inverse 1 minus 2, 2 and 5. And B is 2, 1, 5 and 10. 2, 1, 5 and 10. Now we multiply these two matrices, 1 over 9, and we know that the first matrix is number of column and second is number of rows, they are the same, and we multiply it. 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2, minus 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to minus 10, and then 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, minus 2 multiplied by 10 is minus 20. And the second row, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, plus 5 multiplied by 5, 25. And the last is second row into second column. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 5 tens are 50. Now simplify the values. 1 over 9, 2 minus 10 is equal to minus 8. 1 minus 19 is 1 minus 20 is equal to minus 19. 4 plus 25 is equal to 29. 50 plus 2 is 52. And now we multiply 1 over 9 in the matrix and we get minus 8 over 9, minus 19 over 9, 29 over 9 and 52 over 9. And this is the elements of X which we find. It is our answer. Exercise 3.1. Question 13. And question 13 is also two part. And find the matrix A. Here question is 5 minus 1, 0, 0, 3 and 1 into A is equal to, the second matrix is 3 minus 7, 0, 0, 7 and 2. Is X, A is equal to B. A, we take A, the alphabets which are, you can say, A, B, C, D, and we multiply the matrix X with A is equal to B. The X matrix is 5 minus 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, and matrix A is A, B, C, D is equal to 3 minus 7, 0, 0, 7, 2. Now we multiply these both matrices, and when we multiply the two matrices, the first matrix number of column is equal to the same with the second matrix number of rows. 2 column and 2 row. Now we multiply them. 5 multiplied by A is equal to 5A minus C, and the second is 5B minus D, and the next second row is 0 multiply A is equal to 0 plus 0, and the third is 0 plus 0, and the last row is 3A plus C and 3B plus D. These, when we multiply these two matrices, we get this, and the second is 3 minus 7, 0, 0, 7 and 2. And these two matrices are equal, so the corresponding element is also equal, and we solve them and find the value of A, B, C and D. Now 5A minus C is equal to 3. It is equation 1. The second is 5B minus D is equal to minus 7. Equation 2. The second row is whole 0. 0 is equal to 0. We take the row 3. 3A plus C is equal to 7. 3B plus D is equal to 2. It is question 3 and it is question 4. Now we solve these equations to find the value of A, B, C and D. We take question 1 and question 2, find the value of, question 1 and question 3 to find the value of A and D. The corresponding elements of the two matrices are 5A minus C is equal to 3, which is question 1. 5B minus D is equal to minus 7, which is question 2. 3A plus C is equal to 7, which is question 3. And the last is 3B plus D is equal to 2, which is question 4. Now simultaneously we solve the questions to find the value of A, B, C and D. Now first we find the value of A and C from question 1 and 3, which are 5A minus C is equal to 3, 3A plus C is equal to 7. Now add the values and we find C cancel with minus C, and we have 8A is equal to 10, A is equal to 10 over 8, which is equal to 5 over 4, which is value of A. Now for find the value of C, we put the value of A in equation 2. 3A plus C is equal to 7. 3 into 5 over 4 plus C is equal to 7. Here 15 over 4 plus C is equal to 7, and C is equal to 7 minus 15 over 4. Take LCM 4 sevens are 28 minus 15 is equal to 13 over 4, which is value of C. Now to find the value of B and D, we solve the question 2 and 4, which are 5B minus D is equal to minus 7, 3B plus D is equal to 2. Add both the questions and cancel D plus D or minus D. We find 8B is equal to minus 5 and B is equal to minus 5 over 8. This is value minus 5 of b, and for find the value of d, we put the value of b in equation fourth, which is 3b plus b is equal to 2. Here 3 multiplied by minus 5 over 8 plus b is equal to 2. Now it is simplified. Minus 15 over 8 plus b is equal to 2, and d is equal to 2 plus 15 over 8. LCM 8. 8 2s are 16 plus 15, which is equal to 31 over 8. And this is value of d, 31 over 8, b minus 5 over 8, a is equal to 5 over 4, and c is equal to 13 over 4. So the coordinates of matrix A is 5 over 4 minus 5 over 8, 13 over 4, 31 over 8. And these are the coordinates of the matrix A.